Welcome to all my subscribers. Today I want to show you this machine that I bought. This is a Biltong cutter, but this is a very special one. When I saw it in the shop, I noticed if I decided I have to buy this. But this is a real thing. If you can see, normal Biltong cutters, they just have like a knife, a blade comes from the top, but this one has like a shear action. Looks how nice it works. So it actually shear the meat. There's this mechanism here. It's made by Ultratech Biltong Pro. Nice handle, wooden handle. What's also nice, there's a little bottom plate here. Let me just take it off. And it has like two magnets. Here and there's two magnets, and then it keeps the plate here. I guess it's also like a stainless steel 3CR12 is still magnetized. It can work with the magnets. It goes in the side here, and when you cut your biltong, all the pieces fall somewhere in here. And I bought like a nice piece of biltong. You can see here the nice piece of South African beef. Let's cut some pieces here. You can cut like a nice, you just have this action here. You can cut fine slices as you like. Look how nice it looks. Look this biltong here. Just look here. Nice pieces of tasty biltong. So this is a nice machine. So if you want to buy a biltong cutter, I think this is a real deal. This is the best one to buy. Is to cut your piece of meat. I think in America it's called beef jerky something. In other parts of the country, maybe of the world, something else. But I think this is, if you want to buy one, this is the best one to buy because of this nice shear action of the blade. And a nice piece of wood. It's a durable stainless steel bottom. Okay, I hope this helps a lot, and if you want to decide to buy a Biltong cutter next time, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you like. Until next time, cheers. Yeah, see, they also like it. That's nice. And just for this one, the one for Coco. Yeah, they enjoy it also. That's very nice. Little snack for them. And Coco, another one, that's it. Come whiskey, that's whiskey, that's it. Cheers.